What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do something different for you guys. I also have a new backdrop, as you can see. So I wanted to, dress it up a little bit and make it real for y'all. We are almost at 500 subscribers. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of these dope tutorials that I got coming up. Do not forget to subscribe. And hit the bell button if you want to make sure that you're not missing any videos from me. Hit the bell button. Hit the bell button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Because I know you like me already. You like this look. You like my channel. But no, seriously, I just wanted to do another 90s inspired video. I don't know. I just got this nice little jacket that I've had for years, and then I just paired it with these earrings, and I did a nice dramatic cut crease for you guys. So yeah, that's really all I have. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Yeah. I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good sometimes I don't, I finesse down with the road, finesse. Might go down to G.O.D., wait. I go hard on Southside G, wait. I make sure that no side E is still, Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing on me. God's plan, God's plan, God's plan, God's plan, God's plan, God's plan. Tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, very good. I even got it tatted on me. 81, the dog when crashes through the party. I go down as G.O.D., wait. I go hard on Southside G, wait. I make sure that no side E, Still, what's up? Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they know me. God's plan. It's been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up. Bad thing with them bitches. I don't get it. You're a scholar. There's a lot of bad things that they wishing on me. You shouldn't have to deal with it. I never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all. so many